Harrisburg, it seems to be like central Pennsylvania from what I remember. I lived in Jersey for multiple years, and I also went to school in DC, so I know Pennsylvania a little bit. Mason Peace writes, hello from Rochester, New York. Well, hello to you too. Wow, we are getting quite a few people from the US today. My analytics say that US is like 40% of my audience, but I don't always see them in the chat. My chat seems to be more international, but it seems like we're getting a lot of US participants today. So wonderful to see that. Thanks a lot for being here. Okay, so Cat Ivy says, I am from Brisbane, Australia. Awesome. I was just looking for a Python streamer and found your stream. All right, cool. Well, thanks for being here, Cat. I visited Sydney back in 2 years ago. It's 2 Christmases ago. I spent my Christmas in Sydney. So I didn't quite make it up to Brisbane, but I've heard it's beautiful up there. But thanks for joining. You're not going to find a lot of crazy Python code or anything. I take a little bit more of an executive view towards data science. So I hope you enjoy this stream and keep on coming back. I'd love to get more subscribers on Twitch. I think you could be my second subscriber on Twitch. So guys, no matter what platform you're looking on, please take the time to hit that subscribe and the like button. It helps motivate me and it helps my content to grow. So thank you so much for that. All right, let me keep on going down the global roll call here.